Users. What would life be without users? Well, probably hassle-free, but of course not the same. So we might want to add user information to our documentation. This will help you to actually derive which user has which system or access to which phone, things like that. In order to do that, we already have some fields in Docusnap by default, but let's actually add another field to a customized asset, for example. So check it out and follow me. This is our Docusnap dashboard where you find all the information. To the left is the Data Explorer, on top of it is the ribbon bar, and on the bottom you find the 4 main sections. That's inventory, that's all the things that get into Docusnap, that's documentation, that's where all the things are that are exported from Docusnap, and you will find, of course, the self-explanatory license management as well as IT security for the permission analysis. So the assets that I'm talking about are maybe this IP phone, for example, that I called a Docusnap phone, and here I can see that I have some general information on the asset, but I lack something like a field where I could add related user. So let's just do this real quick and jump into the Docusnap management again, IT assets and manage IT assets. Diving down here, you find the table for the IP phone, and in here I have the general section where I want to add a new property, and it's the user, of course. Now I'm selecting user as well as user here, and in our case I have a field that's called the type user group selection. Just click and save here and confirming back into the dashboard. Now let's look at the asset again, and as you can see you have a user. Let's select d.lloyd and confirm with save. And now we actually do have a report here as well in our general reports, and this may be the user system assignment. We have that in a tabular way and also in a standard report way. And here I just want to see the user Lloyd because I didn't assign any other users. So as you can see, you could find him here. And let's assign a server to Lloyd as well. You can just select the domain controller really quick here, and there you go. Confirming with save, and let's say we have another user that is responsible for the Exchange server. There is a h.lawrence. Perfect. Confirming with save, and now let's look at the user system assignment again. I can now select possibly both users and straight away see which systems are owned by which users or which responsibilities are there. Docusnap Automated Discovery helps you find all the things, and we hope that this edition helps you to keep control and track of all the things with your users. Life wouldn't be the same without them. So, hope you like what you see. We are happy if you're happy, and stay tuned with Docusnap on Facebook, on Twitter, in our What's New section, and of course, Docusnap, we understand IT.